Person, thing, animal, place. Person like dad, teacher, boy, Mona, and so on.
Okay.
Animal like cat, lion, gorilla, dog, zebra, and so on.
Okay.
Things like for a chair, box, bedroom,
board, chair,
and so on.
Okay.
A place like school, home, park, hospital, home, and so on.
So, if I ask you, what nouns are?
Person, thing, place, animal.
Okay, let's highlight a noun.
We are going to the park.
Okay, with the noun.
Park.
The park together.
Shop. The shop is closed. Shop.
Together. That shop.
The shop.
Okay.
The car is tiny.
Excellent.
The car.
Huh.
I have a pencil. A pencil.
Great.
I see a fox. A fox.
Okay, great work. فهمتوا الليسن من
Miss.